Abusua for more akwa ba Sojaman Scafi so and Sojaman TV so. Bomode na subscribe to channel no. Like video no na share so da be ya unua bi enso nsabeka na nyina timi ade abom. Yen hwe the war for Vag Monday, NL Vag Monday. Okay, yen hwe setup we transfer from national event number 1546 who saw 256 and was 785 machine. We are 51 machine. We are 1, 2, 3, 4. No, about to 13 first box winning, 45 fourth box, and 75 at last box positions. Let me say in actual positions. 13 first, 45 fourth, and 75 at last box position. And you were there was here 5 enkudi. Yemfa event enkudi no event so no ebefa 5684 edent na befa 5684 na confirm e dey amount na hwe bon say 56 no ajampo aba so ajampo aba e dey betwa 84 na me sa confirm 5684 na sa amount over say event number 1552 now we so abeto 13 no aserve 24 so machine no the lucky event no at their mind. Okay, good. In the current na over current no so I say na wabeshisha no at their mind. Okay, we so about 256 no or event number 142 at their mind or 256 na waserve 85 our machine. We are 51 machine. We are collect counting 1 2 3 4 no about to 13 first box, 45 fourth, and 75 at last. So this are paper na oye no aha no the my yen hwe second setup and also a transfer from Vag West event number 307 and also to 86 no serve 80 we are single 5 our machine 1 2 3 4 na wabeto 16 our 4 box position 16 wabeto 16 no we no twa 13 first box, 26 at center box, and 45 13 position 26 position and or the ball 45 and or serve 34 our machine nti ono so we are yemfa event enkodi nti the event ne kodi dia obeba na ye 5684 no na ne mienu esa egum ho 5684 na ne mienu egum ho nti this 5684 na de yemfani agrokra nti upe me event na no yi 568420 nso etwa no ho kama good nti say na ebenya for a full game no yesame update 2 event na eba benya 8 numbers per nti ye pemi a na ya be best 5 na ye best 3 na akofo ye 2 dalet se die ni mo no na afei ye banka nso ye 56 na opese utwa game bia emfa ba bia mpacho fa number ya 0599212255 sister Selena obehwe atwa ma kama ofa 0593673300 nso a so jama me number nso no o de ba nso a metwa ma mpacho na Mr Foster nso number ni 0246898449 yes o de ma ono nso obehwe atwa ma kama yes na anopa game ye ma 25% commission. Yes, 25% commission. Nti blafie na yentwa games mfama kama baby a odi ye ntempa na nsa ebeka osika. Nyame nka ho, o ma yenkwatenti ahode wo. Bye bye.